Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, you just follow this video. So guys, fix one is perform the basic troubleshooting step is called restart. Sometimes simple restart can resolve these minor glitches. For this, first of all, completely close your Valorant, then open task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape and look for any remaining Valorant or Riot's client process and them. Then restart your entire PC, then launch the Riot client and Valorant and again to test. Then guys, verify your Valorant game files. Corrupted or missing game files frequently lead to loading the screen issue and game instability. Then guys, open the Riot client on your desktop, then navigate to the Valorant game page, then click the profile icon in the top right corner. After that, select setting from the drop down menu. Under the Valorant section, click the repair button. Allow the client to scan and repair any detection file issues. Once completed, launch the Valorant to check if the issue is resolved or not. Then guys, update your graphic driver. Outdated or faulty graphic driver can common culprit for the display related game crash and loading problem. Then identify your graphic card manufacturer and visit the official website for your graphic card manufacturer. Download the latest stable driver version specified for your GPU model. Then perform a clean installation of a new graphic driver. Then restart your computer after the installation is complete. Then relaunch your Valorant to see if the loading is persist or not. After that guys, run a Valorant as a administrator and adjust the compatibility. So running the Valorant within a administrative privilege can resolve the permission related loading, hang and crashes. Locate the Valorant shortcut on your desktop or in the game installation folder. Then right click on the Valorant executable file. Then select the properties from the context menu and go to the compatibility tab. Check the box next to run this program as an administrator. Then click apply, then OK to save the changes. Repeat this process for the Riot client executive as well. Then launch the Valorant to test the changes. Then guys, disable overlays and background application. So close all the unnecessary application running in the background. Disable in the game overlay from the app like Discord, Nvidia, GeForce Experience. Open your task manager and go to the process tab, and any non-essential background process that consumes significant resources. Temporarily disable your antivirus or the firewall to check for the conflict. Then relaunch your Valorant after disabling the potential interfering program. Okay, so these are the things that you can try, and you also check on the platform specified issues. So guys, thank you.